Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Presently I will solve for class 11 Maths NCERT exercise 3.2 question number 6. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question 6 is proof that cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x into sine pi by 4 minus y equal to sine x plus y. By observing the LHS of this question, you will find that pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus y is with cos and minus pi by 4 minus x and pi by 4 minus y is with sine. So for solving such type of question, you must know all the trigonometric formulas, only then you can solve it. If I suppose this part A, this part B, so this part will be also A and this part will be also B. So formula comes cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B equal to cos A plus B, right? So on this basis we shall solve this question. Here solution is here in LHS let pi by 4 minus x equal to a, this pi by 4 minus x is equal to a, and pi by 4 minus y equal to b, right? Then LHS equal to, if this part is a, this part is b, then cos a into cos b, LHS will be cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b, and cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b is equal to cos a plus b. This is the formula for by, we shall write here, by formula of trigonometric ratio of a plus b. Okay, now put the value of a and b with cos. Cos a is pi by 4 minus x and b is plus pi by 4 minus y. Okay, again we are putting the value of a and b with cos, so it will be cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x minus y. We can write this expression in this way also, so it will be cos, LCM of 4 and 4 will be 4, 4 will divide 4, so it will be 1 and 1 will be multiplied by pi, so it will be pi. Likewise here also pi will be there, minus x minus y. Okay, so it will come to cos 2 pi by 4 minus x minus y. This 2 will be cancelled by 2, here 2 will, we shall write here. Now cos pi by 2 will be here, and this minus and minus, for this we shall take common minus, so it will be x plus y. Okay, this minus we have taken common, so minus has been taken, so this became plus, and this minus is with this minus became plus. So it will be, we know that cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, cos pi by, in class 10 also we have read that pi by 2 means what? pi by 2 means it is 90 degree. So 90 cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In class 10 we have also read like this. Here also cos pi by 2 minus theta will be sin theta. Consider x plus y equal to theta. Here x, y plus we shall consider like theta. So cos pi by 2 minus theta means x and y will be sin x plus y, and this is RHS, hence LHS equal to RHS proved. Question was easy, but only you have to know the different formulas related to this chapter and how to apply which formula will be applicable for the particular sum. This you have to note. So this can become by practice. If you have liked it, please share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will reply it. Thanks.